My name is Ikshit Gupta. My roll number is 20AG10012. I created a sword using Freecad software. First, I created the 2D structure of the sword. I used options like line, arc, and circle to create the sword. I also used polyline feature. I used constraints like coincident, point on the curve, vertical, horizontal, parallel, equality, tangent, and the size and angle constraints. In total, I used about 69 constraints to form my sword. I also used a feature named trim an edge with respect to the picked position to convert my circle in such a shape. After creating the 2D structure, I used the pad feature to to convert it into a 3D structure with a thickness of 4 mm. I will create a mesh using mesh design option, selecting the body and creating mesh from the shape. I will choose the fineness as fine. Okay. Now you can see that my mesh is created. Now I will export it as an STL file and save. Now in the Cura software, I'll open my file. As you can see, my file has come here. Now I will select the file and choose the option as lay flat. Now I will set the settings. I will go with the fine profile. I will set the speed of the printing as 55 mm per second and the infill density is 100%. I will change the printing temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and the plate temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. I will set the plate adhesion as brim. Now I have completed the settings, so I will click on the slice option. So it will take 1 hour 40 minutes for the completion of printing. Now I will save the file with the G code extension. Save. Now the file is ready for the printing. Now using